Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are going to tackle a frustrating issue that many Android users experience: a slow phone. Over time, you may notice your Android device becoming sluggish, apps taking longer to open, and overall performance declining. But do not worry, because in today's video, we will cover the top tips and tricks to speed up your Android phone and get it running smoothly again. So if you're ready to boost your phone's performance, stick around. Before we dive into the solutions, it is important to understand why your phone might be slowing down. There are several potential reasons, including insufficient storage, too many background apps, outdated software, or even malware. Identifying the root cause is the first step towards fixing the problem. Let us go through the most effective tips and tricks to speed up your Android phone. Step 1. Clear cache data. What is cache data? Cache data helps apps load faster by storing temporary files. However, over time, these files can accumulate and slow down your phone. How to clear cache? Open Settings. Tap the Setting apps on your home screen or app drawer. Navigate to Apps. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. These might vary slightly depending on your phone model and Android version. Select the app. Choose the app for which you want to clear the cache. For example, if an app like Google Chrome or Instagram is running slowly, select that app. Access storage. Tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Again, this might vary slightly. Clear cache. Tap on Clear cache. Note that this will not delete your user data, just the temporary files. Clearing cache data regularly can help maintain your phone's performance. Next, let us look at managing background apps. Step number 2. Manage background apps. Why it matters. Apps running in the background consume memory and processing power, which can slow down your phone. Background apps can perform tasks such as checking for updates, sending notifications, and syncing data, which may not seem like a lot individually, but collectively, they can significantly impact your phone's performance. By managing these background apps, you can free up resources and ensure your phone runs more smoothly. How to restrict background apps. Open Settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Navigate to Apps. Scroll down and tap on Apps or a similar option depending on your phone model and Android version. Select the app. Choose the app you want to restrict. For instance, if you don't need a particular app to run in the background, select the app. Access Battery Settings. Tap on Battery or Battery Usage. Restrict background activity. Look for the option to restrict background activity, which might be labeled as background restriction or allow background activity. Toggle this option to restrict the app from running in the background. Use Battery Saver Mode. Open Settings. Go to the Settings app. Navigate to Device Care or Battery. Depending on your phone, this may be under Device Care, Battery, or a similar menu. Select Power Mode. Tap on Power Mode or a similar option. Enable Adaptive Power Saving. Turn on Adapted Power Saving or a similar feature. This mode intelligently limits background processes and optimizes your phone's battery usage based on your usage patterns. Managing background apps effectively can free up resources and improves your phone's speed. Now let us move on to another crucial aspect: updating your software. Step number 3. Keep your software updated. Why it is important. Software updates maintain your phone's performance, security, and functionality. They include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches. Without regular updates, your phone may become slower and more vulnerable to threats. How to update apps. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or app drawer. Access the menu. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines of your profile picture in the top left corner to open the menu. Select My Apps and Device. Tap on My Apps and Device or Manage Apps and Device. Update All. If updates are available, you will see a list of apps with pending updates. Tap on Update All to ensure all your apps are running the latest versions. How to update your software. Open Settings. Tap the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer. Navigate to Software Update. Scroll down and tap on Software Update or System Updates depending on your phone model and Android version. Check for updates. Tap on Download and Install or Check Updates. Your phone will search for available updates. Install updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Ensure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery life or is plugged in during the update process. Regularly updating your apps and operating system can significantly enhance your phone's performance. Next, let us discuss how to manage your phone storage effectively. Step number 4. Free up storage space. Check storage usage. Go to My Files, Storage to see how much space is used and by what. Delete unnecessary files. Remove old photos, videos, and files you no longer need. Use Google Photos to back up and delete local copies. Uninstall unused apps. Go to Settings, Apps, select the app, uninstall. Remove apps you don't use anymore. Move files to SD card. If your phone supports SD cards, move photos, videos, and other large files to free up internal storage. Simply navigate to the files and you will be able to tell whether your SD card is inserted. By managing your storage efficiently, you can prevent your phone from becoming sluggish. Now let us move on to some advanced settings and tweaks. Step number 5. Adjust animation settings. Why it matters. Reducing or disabling animations can make your phone feel snappier. Enable developer options. Go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information, tap Build Number 7 times to unlock developer options. Enter your pattern, PIN or password to enable the developer options menu. The developer options menu will now appear in your settings menu. Depending on your device, it may appear under Settings, Developer Options. To disable the developer options menu, tap the switch. Adjust animation scales. In developer options, find window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Set them to 0.5 times or turn them off completely. Tweaking animation settings can provide an instant boost to your phone's responsiveness. Next, let's discuss the impact of widgets and live wallpapers. Step number 6. Limit widgets and live wallpapers. Why it matters. Widgets and live wallpapers can consume battery and processing power. Remove unnecessary widgets. Long press on a widget and drag it to the remove icon. Use static wallpapers. Go to Settings, Themes, Wallpaper, and choose a static image instead of a live wallpaper. Simplifying your home screen setup can help your phone run more smoothly. By following these maintenance tips, you can ensure your phone continues to run smoothly. We hope these tips and tricks help you fix your slow Android phone and boost its performance. Remember, the key is to be proactive and regularly maintain your device. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might be facing similar issues, and leave a comment below with any other tips you might have for speeding up an Android phone. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.